Welcome to the ABC family, and thanks for choosing us for your facility's accreditation. We can't wait to show you around. Head on over to abcop.org. Start by logging into your facility's My ABC account. Choose the middle box for accredited facilities. You'll soon discover that your facility My ABC account is a one-stop shop for maintaining your accreditation. Everything from updating your facility's address info to paying your annual fee is right at your fingertips. You'll also find a list of your ABC certified staff as well as any affiliate locations you may have. And if you need to add an affiliate, you can start that process here. Under Current Accreditation, you'll find info about the product categories you're already accredited for and those you're eligible to add without a new survey. Need to start or review a current application or submit blackout dates? It can all be done right here. We've also compiled lots of helpful resources to help you stay on track. Here, you can quickly access our exclusive compliance kit, view issues of ABC's Facilitator e-newsletter, order a certificate, access billing info, get residency site info, or download an ABC logo. We hope you find your facility's My ABC account helpful as you work to maintain your accreditation and continue to serve your patients. And if you ever have any questions, we're here for you anytime. We look forward to helping you accomplish your goals.